Good afternoon. Today I'll be walking you through my Python script that is based on HDB resale transactions by user inputted years. And the Python script is going in a way that it actually helps to filter, process, and summarize the data so that it gives us more key insights on the sales trends. And the two main concerns about this scenario will be the first one is which town has the highest sales volume in terms of the HDB resales transaction. And secondly, is focusing on the most popular flat type among buyers in the town. And by looking at the flow of the Python script, the very first thing that I did was actually to read and filter the data using the read CSV file function, which helps to read the data from the CSV file. And once the data is actually loaded, it passes through the sort by year function, which actually filters the transaction based on its user selected year. And in this case, will be 2020, which you can see on the screen. And next I did was to summarize the sales data using the sales summarize the function, which actually helps to organize the data by township and flat type. It also creates a dictionary structure where it actually saves the each town's sales, and we can see that the total column also shows the overall sales volume for each township. And moving on to displaying this all the sales data neatly. So I did use the display summarize sales function. So it's organized in neatly manner the table. And moving on to the next step of identifying the most popular flat type. So I make use of the get most popular flat function has been used to extract popular flat type by each township. So you can see that the 4-room is been the most popular flat type in Sengkang, and followed by the rest of the individual places you can see on the screen. And this gives us a clear understanding of the overall resale volume and also determine the most popular flat type within the township itself. So it's able to see which one in most high demand. And the most interesting part is about the additional analysis, which I actually focused on having to find the average sales by different flat type from one room to until to multi-generation. So it will help to actually analyze on whether the prices are actually below or above the average, and helps to study about the trend. So you can see that which area has a higher demand, which areas have a lower demand based on the different type of flat type. So people who are planning for cheaper alternative, they can go for 1 or 2 room based on the amount that's given over here. That's how useful. And thank you.